Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new project. First, I need to go to the elements, scrolling down to the frames and just insert a circle frame, increasing the size a bit, moving down a bit, and now going back to the elements and searching for sunburst, and going to the photos, scrolling down a bit and choose one what you like. I will let you use this, insert to the middle, and also need a inner circle shadow, sorry, graphics, scrolling down a bit, and I will use, I think, this one, yes, and increasing the size to fit the page. Just do not forget to use the control button, otherwise we are moving the circle, the shadow inside the frame. So now we added this shadow into the frame, and now going back to the frames, basic shapes, see all, scrolling down to get this one and increasing the size to fit also, maybe a bit more like this. Going back also to the elements and searching for the element for what we would like to use. Like I use the Eiffel Tower, going to the photos and using like this, inserting to the frame, double click on the frame and just adjusting the image, so moving the bit down, and now we are removing the background. And now we can select all, zooming, I mean increasing the size, sorry, and moving where we want, but even with we can group it. And here is not a best one, so we might need to ungroup. I didn't even pay attention of the bottom part of the Eiffel Towers, just moving a bit up. Yeah, sorry. Just like this. And now we have the same effect here. I just see this shadow is maybe not the perfect one. So position, shadow, this one is not the best one. Maybe we need a better inner circle shadow. Graphics, we need to find a really good one. Maybe this one is better than a previous one. For sure, this one is better. Just need to adjust the size also to have the same size as the frame, and going to the position and below the Eiffel Tower. And now the Eiffel Tower we need to be moving down because we changed the shadow and that's much better. Like this. Adjust it a bit again. Now it's, yeah, much better. Might be a bit move here again the tower, just a bit to right and like this. Good. Now it's even better. So this is how we have this this effect easily in Canva, and also we also can change the background color to something. But now again this shadow now is not perfect. Maybe not, the size is not even good, I think. Yes. Oh, okay. Again, just need to hold the control button. Otherwise, but I don't know what's happening here in this case. Again, selecting, increase the size a bit, still holding the control button, and now it's good. Okay. Bit moving down to, yeah. Difficult to find the perfect inner shadow. Here was good what I used, but second time I tried to use the same was not that perfect. I don't know why. Maybe we can find out a bit better if you are searching more, but actually, yes, you can see here it's too big. This is the problem. Now it's too big, this shadow. Still too big, just a bit. Yes. And just don't understand what the Canva doing time to time, because I'm holding a wrong one. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Now it looks good. Maybe very difficult to have the same curve. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. Now it's better. Yes. So as you can see, we can play a bit to get the same perfect shadow and also the elements. But now I'm so satisfied with the outcome. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you struggling anything in a Canva or just have a question about Canva, let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, TikTok and Instagram pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find links in the description. But now, this tutorial is going to the end. See you in the next one. Ciao.